We are live. We have EA Head on the air, baby. He's just upset at the #1 seed, prime time, baby. And EA Head, a few questions I gotta ask you. First, I want to say congratulations for being the first in history, to upset a number 16 seed. Hey, how does it feel, man? How does it feel?
Hey, say thanks for the love, man, dawg. You showing me, dawg. It feel good to know I made history, dawg. For real, I ain't know I was the first person to do that, though, man. But feel like old boy, kind of overrated. You know what I'm saying? I'm keeping 100. Kind of overrated. I ain't gonna sugarcoat, man. It was a good little game, but I could have blowed him out. You feel me? He quit. I could have blowed him out.
Very impressive. Very impressive, EA Head, I must say. Now, what are you doing? How are you going to maintain your focus as you go throughout the next rounds, man? Because it's only going to get harder. It's only going to get harder because you got everybody fighting for the same goal, trying to get that moolah. What are you going to do, EA Head?
But, just gotta keep my focus, man, you know what I'm saying? Just do everything I'm doing and don't try no new shit. Just keep everything the same, dog. You know what I'm saying? Wish best luck to the other guy, but hey, I'm coming for it, dog. It's mine. Peace out.
Once again, I want to congratulate you on such a big win on taking on this Madden Giant. Hey, good luck on the rest of the rounds. And hey, y'all stay tuned. Y'all stay tuned because we're going to have more action. There's more action in this Last Man Standing 2, baby. More breaking news coming soon.